I am working my way through all of the flavors of this David protein bar. And today I've got the blueberry pie flavor. Now, before we talk about opening this up and trying it out, I haven't tried this one yet. Let's talk about the macros as far as calories and protein. So calories, 150 calories, protein, 28 grams of protein and 150 calories in this David bar. So yeah, that is pretty amazing. Now I get kind of finicky about protein bars. So the one that I tried before this, the peanut butter chocolate crunch, that one was actually so good. So this is a little shocking. It's purple, but I guess since it's blueberry, I would probably expect that since there's a lot of natural ingredients in this. So before I take a bite of it, it looks like it has those little Rice Krispie thingies like the others that I've seen. So here we go. Here's our taste test. Right away, blueberry. Has the little crunchy things. It's a nice chewy, not too chewy. You know what I mean? Some of them get too chewy. My mouth is watering now. This is a really good blueberry flavor, and it tastes like a natural blueberry flavor. So yeah, that's very good. I think I might like this one better than that other one, than the peanut butter chocolate crunch. I like this one better. That's delicious. I'll buy these again. I can't wait to hear about your experiences with the David protein bar. Put them down below, especially if you try the blueberry. I can't wait to hear about that. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And I will have this link down below so you can go get some yourself.